Well, California is facing a home insurance crisis right now, and a lot of families are facing higher rates or they're losing their coverage altogether.
Our partners at the San Francisco Chronicle compiled this interactive map that shows how much on average homeowners are paying for insurance across various zip codes here in California. We have a QR code to this map on your screen right now. You can use this to compare your rates to what your neighbors are paying. And what you may notice when you first look at this map is the high price of insurance for communities here in the foothills. Megan Van Muntz from the Chronicle joins us now. She helped put together this map. So, Megan, obviously this is such a big issue right now for tens of thousands of people. So let's start with the bigger picture and why we're seeing this. Insurance companies raising the rates, dropping policies, or even leaving the state right now.
Yeah, companies and experts will tell you it's really a combination of a couple things. One of them is inflation and reconstruction costs, which has meant that when insurers are paying out their claims, they're paying a lot more than they used to. Another is the fact that reinsurance, which is insurance for an insurance company, their rates are also going up in the same way that insurance rates are going up. And the last one is really wildfire risk. We haven't had a big fire for a couple years, but insurance companies by the whole are still talking about wildfire risk, and you can really see that reflected in the data on this map.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, we haven't had a couple big fires in a couple of years, but when we did have them a few years before, it really big, and a lot of property was affected by that. So just looking at what you did and compiling this map and putting all the information together, showing what people are paying for home insurance in different regions, I mean, what stood out to you?
Yeah, what really stands out to me is just how much this reflects wildfire risk. You can see dark areas of the map like Sonoma County, and even if you didn't know where the Sierra Nevada foothills were, you can see them right on this map just based off of the darker areas. It's those places where even if they haven't had a fire yet, insurance companies are maybe looking and saying, well, there's a lot of trees in this area, or there's a big brush area in this zip code, and we think that there will be a wildfire here in the future. Now we have to see whether that's true, but for right now, that risk is really what's impacting people in the foothills and other parts of California really paying much higher than the statewide average.
It's interesting timing on this. I was just talking to my mom today about a bill. Last year, her insurance was $1,900, and she just got the renewal for $3,200. So people are seeing enormous increases. What's your advice if the renewal does show something like that, or they find out that their insurance company is dropping them for some reason?
Yeah, unfortunately, with the environment we're in, it's really hard to shop around. You've got a lot of major insurers like State Farm and Allstate who will say they're not taking any new customers in California, no matter where you live. So what a lot of brokers are saying is that if you can afford to stay with your current company and if they'll keep you, it really might be your best option. Now, for someone who gets that non-renewal notice, you usually do have a period of around 60 to 75 days before you lose your coverage. And so brokers are saying you really need to start on day one looking at your options, whether that means finding another admitted insurance carrier, whether that means going to the non-admitted market in California, or even going to the California Fair Plan, which now is one of the biggest insurers in the state.
All right, thanks so much. That's great advice, and it does take time, so you really do need to start right away if you think you have to switch.